Hey y'all, Chuck here in Thap Phnom, Thailand. Hey, today I want to talk to you about Tuk Tuks. Everybody always asks about the family business here in Thap Phnom. The most things that I get asked are, what are all these things hanging on the wall here? Well, my father-in-law builds Tuk Tuks. He started building Tuk Tuks about 35 years ago. They manufacture these Tuk Tuks from the ground up, and they sell the parts. Also, they stock their parts inventory here as well. So, Tuk Tuk basically is a three-wheeled open-air taxi. The Tuk Tuk originally started in Japan, and around the 1930s they started shipping them to Bangkok. It started to become difficult to get parts for the Tuk Tuks, so Thailand made its own version of the Tuk Tuk, kind of altered the design of the Tuk Tuk, and they started building them here in Thailand. So about 50 years ago marked the invention of the Tuk Tuk in Thailand, which spread in a lot of countries throughout the world. The Tuk Tuk got its name originally from the two-cycle engine sound that it made. When they started up the Tuk Tuk, it made a Tuk Tuk sound. There's a lot of things in Thailand that are named because of the sound that it makes. I guess it makes life easier. Whatever, it makes sense to me. Throughout the years, there have been many variations of the style, design, engines, type, stuff like that, of the Tuk Tuk. My father-in-law was shipping them all over the world a few years back, but has slowed down production because he's 68 years old now, but he still has quite a few. He can't keep up with the production and the demands right now. I think he's building between 10 and 20 a month right now. So anyway, hard to keep up with the demand. But his very first style Tuk Tuks, this one was pretty much designed for Laos. They like this style here, and that's what he was sending. But this is what they look like today here. It is a 3-cylinder Daihatsu engine with a standard transmission. This is off of a little Daihatsu production vehicle that's very popular here in Asia. One of the Tuk Tuks that you'll see most popular in Isan area is a chassis that is from a motorcycle engine. I think it's a very underpowered engine for the weight that goes inside of these things. So, but those are the most popular ones being sold in Isan. So this is my father-in-law's shop here, just down the street from where we live. They also do some minor repairs on the Tuk Tuks there as well. You can see the style hasn't changed much in the Tuk Tuks, nor the equipment being used. Ao mai?
อยากได้
อยากได้
หนักกันโน้นไม่ไทยอันนี้รถเข้ามาซ่อมโน่น
แพ้ไม่ดีกว่าร้อยแพ้
ฝรั่งมาดูงานเหรอ
But everything's got a place and a purpose. Yeah. He's been doing the same things over and over again. So. So this is a good look at the chassis. Engine, standard transmission with a reverse. The little motorcycle taxis don't have reverse, they have to push them. And a good solid rear end. A lot of times they'll have a request for a particular color. I like the red. My father-in-law says they'll do about 75 miles per hour.
น้องชายอยู่กลางค่ะอยู่รูปสั้นนะคะโอเค
Nice torque wrench, huh? I guess that's all you do all day. It's built into your joints. Whatever works. These things last forever. It's hard to believe how long they last. Sawasdee krab. สบายดีไหมครับ โอเค Back here in the back is where they do all the painting. สวัสดีครับ How are you? Fine. อะไรครับไปมาแล้วดูเฉยๆถ่ายวิดีโอ you on YouTube yeah you on YouTube ขี่จักรยาน YouTube he was on one of my videos I guess we probably can't see it just a stop for water and a towel
เดี๋ยวถ่ายรูปไปให้แฟนดูนี่คนทำงานที่นี่ไปด้วยกัน
Thai video
Okay.
This is Paul Ritz
but he the painter yeah very good
Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I get asked quite a bit information about the tuk-tuks and what's the stuff hanging on the walls. What do my in-laws do for a living? Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the information. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you guys on the next video.